Ho, ho! You know what time it is?
It's time to hear a story full of wonder. There's so much fun we'll have learning together. So let's go down to the clubhouse with Ollie and his friends. Let's go down to the clubhouse where wonder never ends at the Wonder Clubhouse. Meet with you at the Wonder Clubhouse. Meet with you.
Oh, hi friends! I'm Jayla, and this week my dad took me to an art museum. The paintings were beautiful. We saw a starry night, we saw these giant flowers, and we saw a painting with just shapes. Seeing all those paintings made me want to do something big, so I invited all my friends to a paint party. I set up everything outside. First we painted with big brushes and little brushes. Next, we painted with our fingers. Next, we did our paint party finale. We did splatter painting. We dipped our brushes in the paint and splattered it all over the paper. It was awesome. We've had so much fun, but now we have a big mess to clean up. It's gonna be so hard.
Ho, ho!
It's Ollie!
Hello, Jayla. Ho, ho! Feeling a little sad, are you?
Yes, Ollie, I was having such a fun time painting with my friends, but now we have a lot to clean up.
Cleaning up can be hard, it's true. But you can still choose joy. Listen to this story. Just follow me through.
Follow me through, follow me through. Ollie's got a Bible story for me and you.
Oh, hey, friends. I'm Justin the mailman, and I've got a lot of mail today. It's not easy to deliver all this mail. But look at me. I'm still smiling, and I've got a story for you about having joy even when you have a hard job to do. Do you want to hear it?
Yes!
Great. Let me just put the story mail in the mailbox. This true story from the Bible starts with a beautiful building called the Temple. This is where God's people would meet to learn about God and praise God. It was a very special place, but it was destroyed. So God's people decided to rebuild the temple. It was a hard job. Do you think we should help them?
Yeah!
Let's do it. Let's lift the heavy bricks. Pretend you're holding something really heavy. Now pass it to someone next to you. Whew. Whew. Now take another one and pass it. Keep passing. Whew. Okay, last brick. Whew. Great work, everyone. That was a hard job, but you did it. Now look. The first part of the temple is all done. Temples are really big, and it was going to take a lot of hard work to rebuild it. But some people started celebrating that the work had even begun. They played trumpets. Show me your trumpets. They played cymbals. Show me your cymbals. And they sang songs to God about how good God is and how thankful they were. They had so much joy. We can be like the people who chose to celebrate. We can look at the good things God is doing and have joy. We can play music, sing songs to God, and say thank you to God. We can have joy all the time. Hey, Ollie, tell me, who can have joy all the time?
I can have joy all the time. Yes, it's true. Now let's hear it from you. Tell me, who can have joy all the time?
I can have joy all the time. That's the truth, friends. See you next time.
So there's your story, and it's all true. The people had joy and thanked God when they had a hard job to do.
Thanks, Ollie.
Goodbye to you. Ho! Ho!
Wow, the people had a hard job to do. Some people chose joy and celebrated that the temple was being rebuilt. I think I got the story. Did you get it? If you did, say got it. Get it?
Got it!
Good. It's gonna be a hard job to clean up, but we can choose joy and celebrate that we had such a fun paint party. See you next time!